Paul tries to do his best all the time, and sometimes he plays very well, sometimes he plays well, and sometimes he doesn't play so well. It's not Paul's fault that he made much more money than Paul Scholes. It's not Paul Pogba's fault. It's just the way football is. But I think Scholes will be in the history like a phenomenal player, not as a pundit. So I prefer to look at him as a phenomenal player that gave so much to the club that I am proud to represent and to give my humble contribution every day. Every day I try to do my best. If Paul one day decides to be a manager, I wish that he can be 25% as successful as myself, because 25%, so 50% is 12.5 silverware, 25% is around 6. If he's 25%, you'll be quite happy. But in my mind, Paul Scholes, phenomenal player, one of the best players I have ever seen playing in midfield, and he gave so much to my club that I only can thank him for that, because the prestige of this club is based on people like him, so successful here.